Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today a nice pork roast or roast pork. I always make mistake here. But we're going to make a knuckle or chin. Stinco is in Italian, but is this. Ask your butcher a knuckle of pork knuckle, and that's it. Very easy to cook and super tasty. And even is not expensive in the butcher. Just one thing you have to ask your butcher to score the skin, or if you have a nice sharp knife, you can score it. It's very easy to do. One thing is very important here, guys, the cooking time. Already my oven is on 165 Celsius. It's around 3.5 hours. I'm gonna be more precise later. We'll need just a little bunch of ingredients. We need some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme. I use some ginger, garlic, some soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic, and I like with paprika. This. Of course, we need some nice olive oil first. Olive oil quite around the stuff. Massage, yeah, like that, everywhere. Yeah, and we start. This is a very nice dinner. Okay, we start with salt. How much you like? Everywhere. We use some black pepper because we're gonna have a very nice crackling as well. Garlic, guys, the garlic here is very good. Use, if you like, use it. And sweet paprika. And now massage. It almost is done, guys. Inside, if you can, use some soy sauce just from this side if you quite generous. Massage again. The smell is quite like Thai stuff. Okay, now just remove a second this. Make ready a tray for the oven. I used to this. You know, everyone later you can have different, but this garlic just cut in two. Put on the bottom. The knuckle on the top like this. Some fresh herbs. You can put under some fresh herbs as well. Because out they're gonna be a little bit burned. Yeah, like this. Some ginger. Guys, the job is almost done. I try to put some more paprika. It's very nice. And soy sauce. This time from this side. Yeah. Okay, guys. The job is done. I do it this way, guys. Try, is absolutely delicious. Now in the oven, 3.5 hours, 165 Celsius. Later I'm gonna be more precise later, but gonna be a very nice dinner. Okay, see you later. Okay, guys, the pork knuckle is ready. It's already half an hour is out from the oven. It's I did 160 degrees, 3.5 hours, but the last 10 minutes I put 220 just to make the crackling. And I left half an hour to rest because now it's gonna be succulent and delicious. Anyway, guys, I saved some. This is the juice from the roast. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel. Check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Anyway, now I'm so hungry because this is gonna be my dinner. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's absolutely, look at that, delicious. It's, you know, now you know the score. We have the crackling. Still warm, man. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, this guys. Huh? Yeah. Oh, well done, Piero. This is a masterpiece. Oh, wow. Anyway, guys, I want to show you. I forgot to take a knife. I want to show you how is the meat as well. Oh, this crackling. Wow. Look at it. It's absolutely. Look. Super nice. Oh, you know, juice. Look at that. Oh, wow. Guys, it's buonissimo. Anyway, is this one I'm gonna have with some salad, but if you like, you can have with roast potato, roast vegetable, up to you. Anyway, the pork knuckle is this, something absolutely super, and the crackling is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!